Hello, in this video I'm answering a question by one of the subscribers asking how to find if transaction has been avoided on the bank statement. We need to go to the bank statements under accounting tab. Now go into the bank account itself, looking at the bank statement. And unfortunately at this present time there's no many filters even if we go through the search. So I do not see any filters for deleted or voided, but the only way I could find it, if you know the client name or supplier's name or approximately or exact amount, the date. Otherwise it's about scrolling down and finding the deleted item. As you can see, that's a duplicate and has been deleted or voided. So this is how you can find it by simply going through the list. If you know more about this particular transaction you're looking for, you can use the search option. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.